Hi, my name is Jessica, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hemp necklace. Alright, so now we're going to get ready to start our necklace, and I'm going to show you how to do the basic stitch on the medium size hemp first. And that's going to come out something like this. It's just the basic flat stitch for any hemp necklace. It's kind of complicated looking, but it's actually very easy to do, and it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to start that. So we've already created the end of our necklace, and what we're going to do is we're going to find the two short strings that are there. That's these ones. And we're going to basically put those in the middle of our two long strings. And what you're going to do, you're going to start, I usually like to start on the right just so that I know where I'm starting. You're going to fold the first string behind the two middle strings, and you're going to take the left hand string and you're going to bring that under that right hand string. You're going to hold all of those tight with your finger, and then you're going to take that left string that you brought under on the left side, and you're going to take the end of it and you're going to push it through that hole that you created on the right. And I like to kind of just hold it there so I know that it's not getting tangled with anything, because they are quite long, so you can sometimes grab onto other things. So you're going to pull that all the way through, and you have kind of a pretzel shape there. And you're just going to basically pull the right and left strings tight. And that's going to be your basic stitch.